My friends, you are not going to believe what's happening out this door. Oh my goodness! That's rain! That's beautiful rain! Oh my gosh! It's not a sprinkle neither. This is beautiful rain. Like, oh man. Do you know how long it's been since we've seen a measurable amount of rain? I do. I know exactly how long it's been. Well, I know the date, May 13th. May 13th was the last time it's rained like a rain. This is gorgeous. And this is so very needed. This is a measurable amount of rain. We've had a sprinkle one day. Not even, no, seriously, it was not even enough to measure in our rain gauge. But I can't see any, well, I do. I do see water accumulating in the rain gauge. And that means it is a measurable amount of rain. How wonderful. How absolutely wonderful. Good for Jamie's garden. All of her flower bedding. So good for the animals. The grass. Oh no, what's wrong? Oh, it's cold! Oh! Oh, what's wrong? Danny, my sweet Danny? Where?
He keeps walking this fence line.
Oh, and look at Ruby.
I know, you gotta go save him. I'll record you.
All right, it's recording right now. Where's Danny at? I don't see her.
She just ran down the fence line, so I don't know.
Let me grab myself a cap real fast.
All right, so Lester's gonna grab a hat. Our little cows just don't really understand going into a, like, what is this stuff that's happening to them? Oh no, look. Poor Danny. I see you, baby. Danny is just trying to get back in. All right, so that's gonna have to be first because she is way away from home. Ruby decided she was just gonna be still. Oh no. Danny! I'm gonna go get Ruby. Lester's gonna have to go get Danny. That's how this is gonna go.